What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about Bed Bath & Beyond. As always, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's just for entertainment purposes only, so let's be entertained. All right, let's look at the markets. Basically, you're just seeing days upon days of selling, pretty much coming back and almost tapping our June 17th area. So we're going to see if that's going to bounce or if we are going to continue to sell off in the overall markets and see if it wants to set a lower low or if this is going to be a double bottom bounce. It's definitely going to have a big impact here on Bed Bath & Beyond. You've been watching it trend in this channel. We're still trending in the channel. $6.50 didn't hold, so I'm going to assume that we're going to come down and test the bottom of the flag again, and we'll see where it goes from there. If you are diamond handing this thing, then you probably don't care. You're just here to see some call outs for supports, and you probably don't care about that either. If you are trading this thing, obviously we aren't seeing any signs of strength yet, and I'm probably going to be an echo chamber coming into earnings that I don't think that that's going to be a great earnings call, and we need to see this a whole lot higher. I personally will not be holding any position in Bed Bath & Beyond going into earnings. I can guarantee you that, unless there's like a dirt cheap call or something out there and I just want to throw just a one small lotto throw at it and see what happens. But no, I don't like the current situation, and if you're not diamond handing it but you're still in it, I hope that you are still green and you're watching your stop losses and your trading plan is in place, because as of right now it is coming down, and we're still looking for the sign of reversal where we go from. If 650, next stop probably $6.02. So keep watching it to the downside till we actually get a breakout here. I would like to see a little bit of a run, a little bit of strength come back into it before earnings. Like I said, I want to see us definitely trying to do something a little bit positive, and at that point, before earnings, if you see yourself back to like a break-even point, if you're like, oh man, this one just got away from me, I didn't mean to hold on to it, but I thought it was going to come back, and then you watched it go down another 5%, and then you watched it go down another 5%, and then you watched it and you're like, no, I'm not going to cut it at 20 or 30% down. If you see it get back into the green, I think after earnings there's probably going to be better entries, in all honesty, unless they throw out some kind of crazy news that would actually be to their advantage. But I just don't see that happening in this earnings call. I might be wrong, and like I always say, you don't have to get every penny, but if they do have something awesome that comes out in earnings, then that's going to obviously turn things around, and you can play it back to the upside with a new entry price whenever that strength is there, instead of rolling the dice. So keep an eye on it. We'll keep watching, but we really need the overall markets to turn around, and I think they need to turn around before our earnings call here, just to make things a little bit better. Looking at the Ortex, 35.3% live short interest percent of the free float, 27.28 million. Reported still looks same, 100% utilization. Cost to borrow sitting about the same, 14.98%. So I would personally say be in account protection mode at this point until you see. So right now you want to see $6.50 reclaim at least. If we can do that by tomorrow morning, that might start turning things around. If not, look for six. It could be a little bit lower, I guess, as far as tomorrow morning, somewhere between $5.94 and $6.50 for your open, just so that you are keeping an eye on the channel and what's going to hold, and if it's going to break down or break up, then those are your points. We started off the day okay, had the breakthrough, came down for the retest, couldn't hold, and fell through, unfortunately. So it wanted to get the strength. The markets kind of started off a little bit hot, which was good, but then we saw what happened. So it affected you, pretty much similar what's going on. So best I can say is stick to your trading plan, and let's see what happens for the rest of the week. If things turn around, good. If not, keep an eye on it. All right, I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for coming back and watching another one. As always, stay golden, guys, and may your accounts stay green.